Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to create categories and how to create a blog post with the right category. This is super useful if you want to keep your website clean and easy for visitors to navigate. So let's get started. So first of all, what are categories in WordPress? Think of categories like folders. When you write a blog post, you can put it in a folder or a category so people can find similar content easily. For example, if your website is about cooking, you might have categories like breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. Alright, let's start by creating our categories. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to the post option and you will see a menu appear. Click on categories. Now here you can see any categories that are already created. Let's create a new one. In the name field, type the category name you want, for example plugins, and in the select field just type the same word plugins. Now scroll down and click the add new category button. Wow, your category is created. Let's create one more category like themes by repeating the same steps and create one more theme category. Now let's create a blog post and assign it to a category. Again on the left sidebar, go to the posts and click on add new. At the top, type your blog post title, something relevant. For example, I am going to use this sample title right now. After that, you will add your intro paragraph. Just write a short intro what your post is about. Now let's add an image. Click below the paragraph and you will see a little plus icon on the left. Click that and then choose the image block. Now you can upload your image and that's it, your image is added. Let's add a heading now. Click below the image and type the heading you want. Then click the block type option above and select heading. It will usually be set to heading 2 by default, but you can change it to heading 3, heading 4, etc. if needed. Now I want to add a list of plugins. Type each plugin name one by one, then select all of them with your mouse. Now go to the top option and click on the list icon, and just like that they will appear as a clean list. Now let's embed a YouTube video into the post. Just copy your video link, then click on the plus icon again, search for video or YouTube blog and select it. You will see an option to paste your link, paste it there and click OK. That's it, your video is now added to your blog post. Next, let's go to right sidebar. At the top, you will see the feature image option. Click on it and upload your nice image for your post. This will be the thumbnail on your blog. Now scroll down to the category section. Choose the category where you want to place this post like plugins or themes. Under that you will find the tag section. Here add some related keywords like WordPress, WordPress plugins, best plugin 2025 and so and so. These tags help with SEO and search result. Now click the publish button and your post is live. Let's visit the blog and take a look. Yes, our post is published and everything looks great. So that's how you can easily create categories and publish blog posts in the WordPress with headings, paragraphs, images and videos and tags. In the next video, I will show you how to customize the sidebar and footer widget. Thanks.